Here we are discussing question number 10 of exercise 8.1 from the chapter Trigonometry. The topic is trigonometric ratios. Question has been taken from NCERT book of standard 10. Here question is, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sinP, cosP and tanP. Here given that triangle PQR is right angle at Q. So let us draw a right angle triangle here like this. Here triangle is PQR, right angle at Q. Correct? And here given that PQ is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. This is given here. Okay. So if we suppose that PR is X, if suppose let PR is X, therefore QR is 25 minus X. QR is 25 minus X centimeter. Okay. So now we will find out values of X here so that we could get length of the hypotenuse PR and QR. We need all the three sides for finding sinP, cosP and tanP. So let us find value of X, then we will be able to get PR and QR. Okay. So here we will use Pythagoras theorem, correct? So we know that in right angle triangle PQR, so by Pythagoras theorem you can write PQ is square plus QR is square is equal to PR is square, isn't it? Because PR is the hypotenuse longest side, or we can write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here we have taken PR is X, so this is X square. PQ we have taken 5, already given 5, so 5 square, and QR is 25 minus X whole square. Let us simplify it. Or X square is equal to 25 plus 625, this is in the form of a minus b whole square minus 50x plus x square. X square will be cancelled out from both the sides and will transpose this minus 50x to left side. So it will become 50x is equal to 25 plus 625, 650, or X is equal to 650 divided by 50. This is equal to 13. So here we are getting X is equal to 13. Correct? So PR is, therefore PR is 13 centimeter and QR is 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13, this is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we have to find out sinP, cosP and tanP. So we know sinP is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle P, perpendicular is opposite side. So QR, this is QR and hypotenuse is the longest side, PR. So QR is how much? QR we have got here 12 centimeter. So 12 divided by PR, PR is 13. PR is 13. So this is the answer of sin P. Now let us find cos P. Cos P, you know, this is base by hypotenuse, and with respect to this angle P, base will be PQ. So base is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. So PQ is 5 and PR is 13. This is answer for cos P. And let us find now tan of P. So tan of P, you know, this is perpendicular by base. So with respect to this angle P, perpendicular is QR and base is PQ. So this is equal to 12 by 5. This is the answer for tan P. So we got the values of sin P, cos P and tan P here. Question is very interesting, very important. Hope you have understood it. So I will advise you to practice some more questions so that you would have a command over this topic. Correct? And hope you have subscribed this channel. If not, please subscribe it. I need your cooperation and share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.